Hello. In this video I guide you on how to configure a 4G LTE Wi-Fi modem. I set it up using a phone. You can use a computer if you want. LTE 4G USB modem with Wi-Fi HotSpot. 3-in-1. Plug and play. 150 megabits per second. Wi-Fi router. Let's look at this device together. 4G LTE Wi-Fi modem. Device information. SSID, Wi-Fi key, IP and password. Opening the device cover. SIM slot. I have installed the SIM, IP, password, SSID and Wi-Fi key. USB interface. Adapter. Connecting via USB. Power supply. LED light, red light. Blinking. Wait until the LED turns green. Wait until the LED turns green. Next I use my phone to configure the device. Scanning surrounding wireless networks. Wi-Fi. Searching for LTE 4G USB device. Refresh. Scanning in progress. 4G Wi-Fi 6260. Connecting to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Connect. Connected. Login device. Use a browser to access the device using the IP address 192. 168. 100. 1. Device's IP address. Go. Password. Admin. Login. Next, I change the default wireless network. Menu. Quick configuration. Wi-Fi quick configuration. Wireless name. New name. Netvn. 4G. Wireless password. Show. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Modify. Successfully modified. Disconnect. Scan and connect to the new wireless network. This is the wireless network just set up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Connect. Connected. Device configuration completed. The above are the steps to configure the LTE 4G USB modem with Wi-Fi HotSpot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Speed test. Download. Upload. Results.